Online life coaching and epigenetics, keys to wellness and personal transformation. Learn how online life coaching courses and epigenetics can enhance your mental health, wellness, and personal transformation from home. Exploring online life coaching courses and the impact of epigenetics on mental health. Hey friends, have you ever thought about how personal transformation is just waiting for you right at your fingertips? I mean, seriously, with all the technology we have nowadays, working on your wellness and growth doesn't require driving to some studio or attending awkward group sessions anymore. Instead, a lot of people are jumping into online life coaching courses, and I've got to say, they're pretty impressive. So, let me tell you about why these online life coaching courses might just be the perfect tool if you're wanting to take control of your self-help journey without leaving your comfy couch. These courses give you the flexibility to work on yourself at your own pace, and the best part is, they often incorporate a mix of strategies, including mindfulness, goal setting, and even holistic health practices that focus on your mind and body as one. Here's what makes these courses stand out. Accessibility. Whether you're a night owl or an early riser, you can access the material anytime. No schedules forcing you to juggle your busy life. Customizable learning. You can focus on aspects you really need, be it stress management, building confidence, or improving your mental health, because these courses often offer modules tailored to different goals. Community support. Many of these programs include forums or live sessions where you can connect with fellow learners for motivation and advice. This adds a social element that helps keep you accountable. Expert guidance. They are usually created by experienced coaches who have drilled down into what truly works for lasting wellness. Now here's something even cooler that ties into how we think about our mental health these days. Epigenetics. You might have heard about this buzzword floating around, especially in conversations about mental health and wellness. Epigenetics is basically the science that looks at how your environment and lifestyle can actually affect which genes get turned on or off. So, unlike the old idea that your genes are set in stone, epigenetics shows us that you have a say in how your body and mind behave based on your choices. This is huge because it means your healthy lifestyle, your stress levels, the food you eat, and even your habits, like mindfulness, can influence not just your physical health, but your emotional well-being and resilience. For example, managing stress and practicing self-care might actually help promote better mental health by positively impacting gene expression that regulates mood and stress responses. So, combining the power of epigenetics with tools from online life coaching can create a genuinely empowering experience. These courses often teach you mindfulness techniques and practical ways to reduce stress, which, based on epigenetic research, can lower the risk of mental health struggles down the road. Imagine that. You're not only learning skills to help you right now, but also making choices that gently guide your genes toward a healthier expression, creating long-term wellness. It's science and personal growth coming together in a really practical way. If you're intrigued by any of this and want to get started on your own path to personal transformation and success, there are plenty of resources out there to help. And if you want some great books that cover health and wellness themes, including mental health, mindfulness, and holistic living, I highly recommend checking out Wellbeing Publishing's collection. These reads offer a solid guide on self-care and personal growth that can complement any online course or mental health practice you've got going. Explore the books now. They're easy to dive into and cover a broad set of topics that can help you cultivate a more balanced and fulfilling life. To wrap things up, online life coaching offers a convenient and effective way to push forward in your self-help journey, improving confidence, resilience, and overall wellness. Meanwhile, understanding epigenetics reminds us that we're not just passive recipients of our genes. We have the ability to influence our mental health through everyday choices. Combining these tools equips you with a holistic approach to personal transformation that really works from the inside out. Thanks for hanging out today. If you're ready to take that next step for yourself, why not give an online course a shot and keep learning about how your lifestyle shapes your mind and body? It might be the change you've been waiting for.